Welcome. In this video, we'll take you through an all-new reward pricing flow. So let's begin. You can now participate in rewards along with scheduling the prices of all your eligible listings throughout the reward duration, all conveniently from your rewards details page. Also, we'll transition away from the current structure where you were joining the reward and price construct separately through bulk pricing or offers. To opt into all eligible listings, on your reward details page, use the quick pricing feature by clicking on Opt in and Update Prices. By default, it will automatically price your listing IDs at a reward upper limit. Or you also have the option to select a few listings to opt into by downloading the eligible listings file. Simply click on Download Listings. Delete the listing rows that are not required. Upload the file with the listings you want to opt into, the relevant target price, and the action to be taken. Please note that the uploaded listing IDs will be eligible to win rewards as they will be repriced for reward. Furthermore, you can add, remove, or edit price of listings by uploading a new file. You can add or delete your listings or change their price by downloading the listings file and uploading the same by clicking on Upload Updated Listings. Also, you can opt out of the reward at any time by clicking on Opt Out All Listings. This will revert your prices too. In this listings file screenshot, please go through the instructions on how to make relevant changes easily. If the eligible listings for the reward are less than or equal to 50, this is how the screen will appear to you. You will see these two options, Set Price by Selected Listings and Set Price through File Upload, which is a slightly different view. While opting in, 50 listings will be shown to you upfront on the UI for your review. By default, all the listings will be selected for the reward. However, if you want to exclude any listings, you can uncheck the listings and click on Opt-in and Update Price. If you have opted into any listings and you want to opt them out, you can click on Opted in tab and make the changes. Now, let's check the benefits of these changes. You can now schedule prices directly from the rewards page. You will find it easy to opt into reward with few or all eligible listings, and prices will automatically be scheduled. You can opt into the reward for all listings at the reward upper limit price using quick pricing, or choose some listings and target prices within the reward range to opt into using file upload. Now you don't have to make bulk price changes just in time before the reward starts or after the reward ends at odd times. It is easy to keep track of your reward status or closure. Please note that if a reward is stopped or expired, the price will reverse to its previous levels. We hope you found this video helpful and the recent changes boost your business. Happy selling!